In this video, we would like to cover all the main aspects you need to know about natural Shilajit resin. What it is, where it comes from, main benefits, dosage, and why you should not buy capsules, powders, or any kind of liquid Shilajit. Natural Shilajit resin is a mineral deposit that is made up of humus and decomposed plant remains, harvested from the Altai Mountains and purified for maximum effectiveness and potency. Natural Shilajit resin contains loads of vitamins, minerals, humic and fulvic acid, which are key components to a good cleanse since they remove heavy metals from the body. Fulvic acid in natural Shilajit resin is in its most natural and purest form. That's why it can effectively prolong cell life and keep it healthy for a very long time. It will not only improve your health from many points of view, but it will also help you cleanse your body from toxins and regain the energy that you lost a long time ago. With the help of natural Shilajit resin, you can eliminate the chemicals that you ingest with food much faster, and they will not have the time to build up in your body and organs. In natural Shilajit resin, you can also find potassium, and this might not seem like a big deal for you. However, research showed us that potassium is absolutely necessary for the good function of the liver. The liver is considered to be the filter of your body, and many of the toxins that you eat are stored in it. When you have enough potassium in your body, you can be sure that your liver works at full capacity and is able to transform and dispose the toxins in efficient ways. Natural Shilajit resin has a superfine, rejuvenating effect that makes the body stronger and healthier. No wonder the Indian yogis called it as Amrita, or the elixir of life. The recommended amount of natural Shilajit resin for general use and to maintain optimum health is around half a gram, which is approximately a pea-sized portion per day. To consume, simply dissolve in warm, non-chlorinated water, tea, or milk and drink. There is a 6 to 8 week period for the therapeutic effects to be noticed. Remember, consistency is the key. Stay away from capsules, tablets, powders, extracts, or any kind of liquid Shilajit that isn't in its natural resin form. Capsules and pills are mixed with silica, cellulose, and there's no way to really evaluate the quality of natural Shilajit that is granulated and mixed into these capsules. Powders are routinely cut with all sorts of Shilajit substitutes. Be very careful when trying cheap or generic-seeming Shilajit products. Also, be suspicious if it is sold cheaply or supplied in high amounts. Always check the quality. Your Shilajit should arrive as a black, shiny, glass-like resin. It should melt in your hands, becoming gooey and sticky. But if you place it in the refrigerator to cool, it will become very hard and shatter-like. Pure natural Shilajit resin should completely dissolve when stirred into warm water. Natural Shilajit resin is a top-quality source of organic, plant-based nutrients for energy, detox, weight management, libido, and vitality. We test our Shilajit for safety at independent U.S. laboratories. Most recent test results are available on our website. Our Shilajit is very safe. Natural Shilajit resin is the purest, highest quality Shilajit available on the market. Thanks for watching. Namaste.